In this video, we will talk about 10 innovative gadgets that are changing the game. So make sure to watch the full video. In a world where technology seamlessly integrates into our lives, luxury gadgets redefine the boundaries of sophistication and innovation. From cutting-edge timepieces to state-of-the-art home entertainment systems, these top 10 luxury technology gadgets epitomize elegance and performance. Explore the pinnacle of craftsmanship and ingenuity in the realm of high-end tech. 1. Smart home automation, redefining residential living. Smart home automation stands as the pinnacle of technological innovation, reshaping the landscape of residential living. These systems represent a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and modern lifestyle, creating homes that are not just smart but dynamic, responsive spaces. From the moment residents step inside, they are greeted by a symphony of automated experiences. From lighting that adapts to mood preferences to climate control that anticipates comfort needs. Beyond the fundamental aspects of security and convenience, smart homes introduce a new paradigm where technology seamlessly integrates into daily life. Voice commands and intuitive interfaces empower homeowners with unprecedented control, making the home an extension of their preferences and desires. The result is an environment that doesn't just meet basic needs but anticipates and exceeds them, elevating the concept of modern living to unprecedented heights. 2. High-end smartphones, technological marvels as lifestyle statements. High-end smartphones, exemplified by industry leaders such as Apple and Samsung, transcend their utilitarian roots to become expressions of lifestyle and personal taste. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail and featuring premium materials, these devices are more than communication tools, they are technological marvels that double as status symbols. In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, luxury editions go beyond the standard features. They become exclusive artifacts, coveted by enthusiasts who appreciate not only cutting-edge technology but also the craftsmanship and design prowess that distinguish these devices. Limited edition releases and collaborations with renowned artists or designers further solidify these smartphones as iconic pieces that make a bold statement about the owner's individuality and refined taste. 3. Luxury wearables, fashionable tech for personal wellness. Luxury wearables, including smartwatches and fitness trackers, redefine the intersection of fashion and technology, offering a unique blend of style and functionality. Crafted from premium materials such as titanium, ceramic, and sapphire crystal, these wearables transcend their original purpose, becoming both fashion statements and status symbols. The marriage of fashion and technology extends beyond aesthetics to advanced health monitoring and customizable features. These wearables cater to individuals who demand not only cutting-edge technology but also a seamless integration of that technology into their personal style. From exclusive watch faces to bespoke bands, every element is carefully curated to provide users with a wearable accessory that not only enhances their daily lives but also reflects their commitment to both wellness and fashion. 4. Premium audio systems, sonic elegance for the discerning ear. Premium audio systems from renowned brands like Bang & Olufsen redefine the auditory experience, offering more than just sound but a symphony of sonic elegance. Meticulously designed soundbars, wireless speakers, and headphones not only deliver impeccable audio quality, but also serve as exquisite pieces of art that enhance the aesthetics of any space. The craftsmanship and attention to detail in these audio systems create a multisensory journey, where listeners are immersed in a world of rich, nuanced sound. Opulent materials, precision engineering, and iconic designs converge to produce audio devices that are not only functional but also statement pieces, elevating the auditory ambience of homes and spaces to unparalleled levels of sophistication. 5. Luxury electric cars, sustainable opulence on wheels. Luxury electric cars redefine the automotive landscape, embodying a perfect fusion of sustainability, cutting-edge technology, and opulent design. Led by industry pioneers like Tesla, Porsche, and Audi, these vehicles not only prioritize eco-friendly credentials but also deliver a driving experience that rivals traditional luxury cars. The electric revolution goes beyond eliminating emissions, it becomes a statement of progressive luxury. 6. Smart glasses, augmented reality's fashionable frontier. Smart glasses, equipped with augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, technologies, herald a new era where the digital and physical worlds seamlessly converge. Beyond being functional tools, these visionary devices become fashionable accessories that redefine how users interact with information, navigate their surroundings, and communicate. The hands-free access to information provided by smart glasses represents a paradigm shift in personal technology. As our technology advances, these glasses promise to be indispensable companions. offering users not only functional utility but also a sophisticated and cutting-edge perspective on the world around them. Fashion meets functionality in a way that transforms these wearables from mere gadgets into must-have accessories for the tech-savvy individual. 7. Designer tech accessories, where fashion meets functionality. Designer tech accessories represent the epitome of the symbiotic relationship between fashion and technology. From leather-bound laptop cases to custom charging stations, these accessories seamlessly fuse aesthetics with functionality, turning everyday gadgets into stylish statements. The collaboration between tech and fashion houses brings forth pieces that not only protect and enhance tech devices but also serve as coveted items for those who seek a harmonious blend of luxury and practicality. In a world where technology is omnipresent, these accessories become more than just add-ons, they become expressions of personal style and sophistication. 8. Home automation systems, precision living in intelligent homes. Comprehensive home automation systems embody the essence of precision living, offering seamless control over every aspect of the home environment. From lighting and security to climate and entertainment, these systems create a living space that is not just intelligent but responsive to the needs and preferences of its inhabitants. The integration of technology goes beyond mere functionality, it becomes an intrinsic part of the home's design and architecture. Intuitive interfaces, voice-activated commands, and advanced sensors converge to create an environment that adapts to the rhythms of daily life. 9. Luxury drones, aerial photography reimagined. Luxury drones redefine the possibilities of aerial photography and videography, merging cutting-edge features with artistic expression. Designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, these drones offer high-resolution cameras, autonomous flight capabilities, and innovative flight modes that push the boundaries of what is achievable in the sky. Beyond their technical capabilities, luxury drones become tools for capturing breathtaking landscapes, documenting special events, and providing a unique perspective from the skies. 10. Premium smart appliances, intelligent living in the kitchen. Premium smart appliances usher in a new era of intelligent living, particularly in the heart of the home, the kitchen. From connected refrigerators to smart ovens and coffee makers, these appliances feature automation and advanced controls that enhance efficiency and convenience. Integrated into the broader smart home ecosystem, they provide a luxurious and technologically advanced kitchen experience that reflects the intersection of modern living and intelligent appliances. These smart appliances go beyond traditional functionalities, they become integral components of a connected and intelligent home. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.